whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lines. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like Bonnie and Clyde. Whoa, whoa. I wanna take you for a ride, but I need you by my side. Copy PJ, let's go fly here. It's room for the two of us, no cowboys. We meant for each other just like our toys. Bad breath. I can't lie, you popping up inside my dream. I get butterflies, girl, you know what that means. Hey, hey. Big jet plane, I can put you in a diamond ring. Introduce you to the finer things.
Hey, what's up, you beautiful people? How are you doing? And welcome back to the motherfucking channel. Man, I'm trying not to cuss, trying to keep this family friendly as possible because we know YouTube do not play around, okay? First of all, your boy got that new cut today. Hey, god damn, hold on now. God damn! Let me hit y'all with a slow-mo. Damn!
So I got some shit to say, hold on. I made 100,000 off of type beats. Me and my niggas, we do it like Nike. She asked me if I'm high, I said I might be. That bitch hitting my phone, wanna bite me. She want my money, I don't think.
God, I ain't playing, man. Anyways, look at the cut. I'm feeling good. Ain't nothing like a fresh cut, man. My insecurities was about a 4 out of 10. Now I'm feeling like a 8 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? A haircut could change it up. You know what I'm saying? The only 2 I'm missing is because I know I'm toxic. And it is what it is because it ain't what it ain't. You feel me? But anyways, today, I just want to take a stroll in the car. The weather's out and it's nice. I want to go ahead and find some beautiful country roads and throw the drone up and all that good stuff. So I figured y'all would want to come with me. So let's go ahead and show some pretty roads and enjoy ourselves. Anyways, first of all, I hope y'all liked that video. The last video we posted last night, first time out in ATL, that shit was ridiculous. It was crazy. I met some amazing content creators, some amazing individuals. And guess what? They all look like me. I love to see black people succeed. They all look like me. So we're going to do a lot more collabs. I got a few bros I met last night that's teaching me a lot of things that I didn't know about YouTube, a lot of things I didn't know about the city, a lot of things that I didn't know about content creating, so on and so forth. So I'm excited for that part. Like I said, the good thing is, man, you got to stay humble. Everybody I'm around can listen, can learn, can take constructive criticism and all that good stuff. And that's what it's all about. I'm not trying to be around nobody that think they full of themselves and think they all that, because we could all learn something. You feel me? I might not know the internet, but I know money. I know financial security. You know what I'm saying? You see the name on the wall. You see the name on the wall. You see the room is dedicated just for this. This is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Got the cave, the man cave dedicated just to this. But nah, seriously though, on a serious note, I am excited. Hey, that light bill be killing me, so turn that shit off. But nah, I'm excited, man. Let me switch the battery out in this. And like I said, we'll get a little bit of drone content. Whatever the case may be. I did buy some stuff for the car, some tire cleaner, some other things. We gonna hit them with the quick cold start. Y'all ready? I got that E85 going. Smells amazing. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and get in the car real quick. Man, I'm telling y'all, hey, this melanin better stop playing now. Hey, I put on a little do-rag real quick so them waves could sit down, you know. Oh, damn, I done messed it up. But I done messed it up. Hey, I need one of them do-rags that just got the little straps, that little nylon, stretchy Velcro straps. They got all kind of do-rags out nowadays, but you know what I'm saying? Okay, that'll do. That's decent enough. Hold the top in. Still got a little lip to it. But yeah, I need to find something different that don't leave all those lines in my head. Anyways, we in the car. We at the park. You know, I think it's a beautiful park. This one is called something something international. Let me see. Make sure I got it on point. There you go. Clay International Park. That thing is beautiful out here. It's so damn nice. So I'm gonna send a drone up, drive through, Let y'all get some views of the car, you know what I'm saying? Like the drone shots are the best shots. I love it because it's gonna be smooth, it's gonna be cinematic, it's gonna be what y'all wanna see, all right? So you let me know, other than the big YouTube channels, who else bringing you that content like that? Who bringing you them smooth shots, them flybys, them drive-bys, them all them bye-bys, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a nice shot anyways. And I think there's some like felons in the court in the in the park loose. They got like 3-4 cops, sheriff out here looking for some kids. Stay out of trouble. Don't do drugs. And you know, you do drugs, just don't do like fentanyl or nothing. Not do meth and do crack and heroin. Those are some good ones. They out your system in like 3 days, so I heard. Terrible news. I wasn't really the best public speaker, but yeah, just stay out of trouble. Y'all trying to get shot. That ain't me. I ain't built like that. I'm not built for jail. I am not 6 feet tall. I'm not going to jail. I'm not about to be locked in a cell with a booty bandit. Ooh. Ooh. There's cops all around looking for these people, and you want to and first of all, you can't even shift. Whoever that was that just drove by. Yo, she said, you can't even shift. I hope that was a motorcycle. If that was a car, you need a new clutch, my boy. Anyways, let's get into the drone shots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home sweet freaking home. Hey, I got the Z parked in the garage, and I made it home, man. I had a good day. I need some light on me. It's crazy. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and look, I got the house lit up. The house is lit up. You can't tell me that shit don't look amazing. The house is lit up, bruh. I got all that space. No, I think my neighbor's about 300 feet on the other side, but look, the house is lit up. I'm so blessed. I can't even tell y'all, man. I am so stinking blessed. But I appreciate y'all. We are doing good, like I said, man. We in here like swimwear, so can't wait to do some more content and some more stuff. I love the fact that the house got these lights, cause look, I'm popping right now, melanin popping right now, all that stuff is popping right now. Till next time, y'all, I love y'all. I respect y'all. I hope y'all love the vlogs. I hope y'all love the drones. You know, I want to do some more. If y'all want to collab and actually do some drones and shit with me, let me know. We'll get some shit in. All right, I love it. Oh damn, I said shit like 3 times. I gotta stop cussing. Man. I've been listening to Raw Waves, so I've been in my feelings, and I've been acting a little, you know what I'm saying? I've been acting a little light skinned. You know, I'm dark skinned with light skinned feelings nowadays, man. But nah, I appreciate y'all boys, man. Until next time, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit me up for collabs, hit me up for photo shoots, hit me up for whatever you want to do. I got the drone, I got the DJI drone, I got the Phantom, I got the GoPros, I got it all. Only thing I don't have is a 360. If you got the 360, fuck with me, because I want to get that 360 on. But until next time, like I said, hey, me and the Joker out. Joker, purple, black, gold, because the Joker got the gold teeth. Y'all get it? Alright, if the names suck, let me know. We might be able to come up with a better name. Probably not. Oh shit, I left the bag, but I'm dark. Hold on, I know I'm black. Y'all can't see me, goddammit. Just give me a break. But I got everything out the car. We should be good to go. I never have no damn room. Hold on, let it close. You know, you don't let the damn garage close and that hole come back and hit you. I want to go to Best Buy. Right now I'm using a 24mm lens, but I actually want to use, Best Buy got that, I think they got an 18? Yeah, they got an 18, and that's the one I want to use, man. I heard good things about it. Look at this. My dumb ass locked it. There we go. But yeah, they got like an 18. I heard great things about it, and I want to try the 18 out. So that one, that way I can set the camera inside the car and actually see more of me and all that good stuff. So 18 it is. I'm just a Canon guy. A lot of people think about other stuff, but I'm telling y'all. And then these are the goodies I bought. We could go through that real quick. Alright, when I don't want to drive the Camaro, you know what I'm saying? I got the old family truck. But I bought this. It's a 4-piece set. I can connect it to my drill and actually you know, scrub the wheels and stuff. I hate scrubbing it by hand. I'll be honest. I really, really do hate it. There's a few things on my car that I want to make black, so I'm gonna paint that hoe. That's what's coming up next. I got gloss, paint, and primer all in one for wood, metal, plastic, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna try to paint some parts on there and see how that turned out. And then I bought some more wheel cleaner, of course, because everybody needs some wheel cleaner. But that's it, man. Like I said, I know I've been blabbering and talking. Let me let y'all boys go. Like, subscribe. Peace.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, wanna take you for a ride on the BJ plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lanes. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like Bonnie and Clyde.